If you have forgotten your password or are having problems logging in, please contact your manager or the administrator for your account. They will be able to reset your password. To reset the password of a user, go to the Users tab accessed through the Profile button in the top right of the screen for those profiles that have access to this module. Open the record for the user who needs their password reset and click the Reset Password button in the top right of the page. An email will be sent to the user's email address with a link to create a new password. You can also edit the user record and manually change the password and password confirmation fields. You will need to share the new password with the user for them to be able to access their account. Please remember that for an account to be active, the user field active in the Access Details section of the user record page must be checked. For further assistance, please contact Property Nexus on our 24/7 customer service contact details.